Good day mga boss, kumusta po kayo? So malamang sa malamang kaya ka andito dahil interesado ka at isa kang collector ng mga old model car. So nakita mo naman, di ba? Toyota TRUENO all stock engine 4AGE, syempre 96.8 model. Malamang sa malamang ang makakabili nito ay mga collector ng mga old model car at syempre sa mga sobra ang pera. At kaya mo inopen to dahil namamangha ka kahit wala kang pambili sa kotseng ito. Talaga namang kakaiba, lalo na't nasa Pilipinas lang pala. So bakit ka papunta ng Japan? So patapusin nyo muna to mga video at picture para sa inyo. Yan, mamaya ako sabihin kung ito po ay for sale.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud, you don't speak fly inside my
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
You don't understand the thing.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pain, here's my heart straight blue. I got visions in my head, like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Everything is like a test, so that me on text, or I'll come up best.
It's too late to try to contain a generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we're being saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt and multiply, reinstate
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. Got my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like we think that this is losing. Sitting there gaslighting, confusing. Was it me, is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck like you did. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silence is blood, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel.
So, ayun mga kahimas, at nakita niyo naman siguro, di ba? Talagang napakaganda. So, totoo malamang. Sorry, Piolo Pascual. Ayan. At sa mga nagtatanong kung saan tong area na pwede niyong makita, so, no meet up, just viewing lamang po. Pumunta lamang po dito sa lugar ng Imus, Cavite, pinaka-landmark, the District Mall, Aguinaldo Highway. Okay, yun na po yung, malapit na po kayo doon sa amin. Okay? And then, ito po yung number na tatawagan nyo sa mga interesadong gustong bumili. Ayan. And then, yung ibang info, katulad ng sabi ko, ay all stock. Mga kaibigan, all stock. Okay? So, kung bago ka sa channel ko at nagustuhan mo, baka pwedeng paki-like, share. Baka isa sa mga kaibigan mo, collector ng ganitong mga vintage car. Diba? Malay mo, kapitbahay mo lang pala ang makakabili nito. Diba? And syempre, subscribe and hit the notification bell button para maging updated ka sa mga bagong uploads video ko. Basic tip tutorial technique ng aking YouTube channel. So paano? Kita-kits tayo sa next upload. Ang inyong lingkod. So feel so good. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless. Ulitin ko, all stock. So